Welcome to the crypto nest. All right, so for Cronos, well, actually, we are having a little bit of action here. Remember, I don't remember when was the last time I did a video. I was looking into this possibility of making this third wave. Not even sure if you're not just doing an A, a B, actually an A, a B, and this is the C wave. I actually need to go and double check that scenario. Did I did it already? Should I put that in blue? What is this? A. Okay, this was the A, B in blue, and this is the C. So the thing is, the C wave, it can go up to 1.38. I should put this in blue. Yeah, that in blue. And then the 1.38 is start to be green. And definitely the 1.618 is green. There you go. Okay, so now this is how it goes. We had an ABC for the wave 1, wave 2, and now this is the A, B, and we are working into this C wave in yellow. If this is the case, the third wave should reach at least 1.38, even higher, even better. If we're doing the blue count, well, you know, an A, a B, and we're doing the C, well, this starts to be already a little bit unlikely because ideally the wave A and C, it's 1-to-1 ratio. So we would have stopped already at 12 cents 477, but we push higher. So this is encouraging. So this is now how Fibonacci and Elliott wave help us to maybe how I'm trying to say that constructively, to lean more on what's more probable to be happening. And I would say now we can check out the count here. So if this is the C wave of that C wave in blue, then we need to have 5 waves. And actually we already had 5 waves. So we have here the count in orange. We have a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and actually we had a 5th wave. Now let's go and check if this 5th wave it's done or did it do what it's supposed to do. So first wave, to calculate it, I'm going to take from the beginning of the wave 1 to the end of the wave 3 to the end of the wave 4. Can add the 0.382. So you can see we did reach the minimum target for the 5th wave, and ideally, honestly, we would go for 15 cents 8 to round it up. That would be really ideal. I feel like removing this one now. We already passed it. Very, very good. And that would really help us to at least reach the, a little bit higher than 1.38. So it would be a little bit unlikely because 1.38 is the limit of a C wave can reach. After that, it cannot be a C wave anymore. So you can see that reaching even the 1.618 would really help us out to adjust the probabilities on what is or which one is which. Now let me see if I can do micro counting here. This 5th wave, it's you can see that the structure even for this 3rd wave, I cannot see 5-way up. And because this is diagonal, right? So first wave, A, B, C. And I would say this was an A, a B, and a C. Actually, I could say A, B, C for the A. This was the B, and this was the C for the wave 3. Now I'm selecting something. This allegedly fourth wave. Yeah, we did an A, B, C. But I need to be honest with you guys. I'm not even sure if this is the end of the third wave, honestly, because I could just say perhaps that this was the A and this is the B and we're still pushing higher. Okay, so this is very possible. If that is the case, I'm going to add the 1-to-1 ratio. Was it orange the count? Don't remember. No, I didn't put it yet. So if that is the case, within this third wave, this could be the A, this is the B, and we're reaching the C. And so this third wave would bring us to 19 cents. That would be very, very nice. But I'm going to do another count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'm going to leave it in white for a moment. And yeah, this would be very, very, very nice. Okay, so this is pretty much all I wanted to share with you guys. No, wait a minute. Let's prepare ourselves for the worst case scenario. That this ABC is completed because it pretty much reached. It can count 5 wave even within this 5th wave. It did reach the minimum requirement as well. So this could be done already. And so if all this is an A, let's prepare for a B. Pullback. And I have a little bit of trouble with that discount because it doesn't really sync with Bitcoin, I believe. In my opinion, anyway. But we never know. So if this is the A, B levels, and now we should expect a big correction, an A, a B, and a C. Perhaps 10 cents, 9 cents, 188, up to 8 cents. Below 8 cents, it's going to be very, very bad, and the count is off. My count, it would be off, and it's not bullish, and we're going to go low, making a new lower, and possibly this was just an A, and this was an A, perhaps a B, and this is the C for the B wave. So technically this was the A. We are enjoying the B and it's going to go lower. So once again, this coin got destroyed when unlikely, actually I shouldn't say unlikely, but they did the opposite of what BitGet BGB did, right? They burned crazy a lot of BGB and really pushed the price higher. Cronos did the same. I can tell you when. Here, I believe. And then after that, he had an agreement, I don't remember what, and he reinstated all the coins that he burned. And what's the reaction of the investors? This one here, I believe. And this is why before I had really high hope or high, not hope, but expectation of Cronos. You can see I was looking at the $1.54. Now I seriously do not believe at all that we're going to get there. I mean, 30 cents would be already amazing. 50 cents, I'm going to be so grateful. I will be in liquidation mode. I only keep a few, honestly. Maybe I will keep only 10%. I will start to take profit if we ever get to 30 cents. But for sure now, after, if we go higher and push higher, we will see the structure. But low expectation for this coin, because trustability, it got no, the kids, they say we got burned. Yeah, we got burned big time, because they burned the coins and after they reinstate them. Alright, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day. Bye.